From the KBIA newsroom in Columbia, I'm Maggie Turner. The Kansas City Chiefs and Royals have 6 more months to decide on potential new stadiums in Kansas. Zane Irwin in Kansas City reports.
Last year, a bipartisan group of Kansas lawmakers approved tax incentives that would cover up to 70% of the cost for a new stadium. But the deadline for that deal just passed. A small group of legislative leaders voted to give the teams more time. Republican House Speaker Dan Hawkins says he does not want negotiations to go into January, when the 2026 legislative session begins.
We don't need to be worried about this during session. It needs to be done. It needs to be finished.
The Kansas City Chiefs and Royals say they have not yet decided where they will play once their stadium leases end in 2031. I'm Zane Irwin.
On average, 70 pregnant or postpartum Missourians died each year between 2018 and 2022, based on the state's latest maternal mortality review. This year's report attributes 11 deaths to financial barriers to care, such as inactive Medicaid or lack of insurance, and another 7 to community-level factors such as poor social stability. Allison Williams with Missouri's Perinatal Quality Collaborative says she anticipates logistical challenges for patients and providers due to federal Medicaid cuts.
Many of these individuals face extreme hardships. There is a definite need for and a critical importance that we keep, lifelines going for them amongst these services.
Williams says their partnerships with state and local organizations may help to mitigate these threats to insurance coverage and social services. Boone Health officials say the company is looking for what they call a strategic partner to help infuse more cash into the operation. KBIA's Rebecca Smith has more on what this could mean for Mid-Missourians.
Boone Health has been an independent health system since 2021, when it ended its 3-decade relationship with BJC Healthcare. CEO Brady Dubois says the hospital has grown its number of providers and seen an increase in demand for services, but now needs more money to expand services, both at the hospital and throughout rural Mid-Missouri.
We are specifically looking for someone who wants to invest in Mid-Missouri and invest in rural health care and invest in accelerated growth.
Dubois says the search will take about a year and anticipates sharing another update in September. I'm Rebecca Smith, KBIA News.
Members of a group created by Governor Mike Kehoe to examine Missouri's parole process say they hope all perspectives will be heard and considered as the work continues. Kehoe signed an executive order in January creating the group. The state's parole rules have not been updated since 2017. They met for the first time in mid-June. Stacey Lannert, a public defender and founder of the nonprofit Healing Sisters, is a member and says she wants to address basing fees on household income. I'm Maggie Turner, KBIA News, Columbia.